Welcome everyone to another video. I'm Sazib from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. I am back another camera comparison video. Today video about is Redmi Note 8 and Huawei P30 Lite camera comparison. So guys, start the video. Redmi Note 8 quad camera phone. First one 48 megapixel 26 mm wide with 1.8 aperture. Second 8 megapixel 13 mm ultra wide with 2.2 aperture. Third 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture dedicated micro camera. And fourth 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. Huawei P30 Lite triple camera phone. First one 48 megapixel 1.8 aperture wide, second 8 megapixel 13 mm ultra wide, and third 2 megapixel depth sensor. Redmi Note 8 you can record highest 4K 30 fps video, but Huawei P30 Lite you can record highest 1080 30 fps. So I am record both camera 1080 30 fps.